morning students. Last class we learned heat and temperature, right? Okay. Today we are going to see the expansion in solids. How to the solid expand. So expansion in solids. Sam is trying to open a tight jar but he cannot open it. He asks his uncle to help. His uncle says that pour some hot water on the lid of the jar. Sam does so and tries to open it now. Wow, the jar is open easily. How the jar is open easily? Because his uncle poured the hot water on the lid. That time the jar lid will expand, so that only Sam open it easily. So here most substance expand while we heating the substance. Okay, most substance contracts while we cooling. Okay, while we cooling the substance is contract, while we heating the substance is expand. Okay, it is the process where a body expands the size and shape. While we heat the lid, that time the body will expand the size and shape. So when it is heated on object, the body shape is size and or expand. Okay, it already you know states of matter. Solid consists of 3 states of matter. What is that? Solid, liquid and gaseous state. Yes or no? Yes. See this picture. While we heat the solid particles, it becomes liquid. After liquid, it becomes gases. Okay. While we heat the solid particles, it becomes liquid state. After that, it goes to the gaseous state. Okay, after you cooling the liquid state, it gets solid particles. If you cool the liquid particles, for example, if you keep the water in the freezer, means after some time you saw that water will become a solid, ice cubes. Yes or no? So the states of matter are solid, liquid and gases. So when solid is heated, it expands the size and shape. This is the thermal expansion of solid. This is the thermal expansion of solid. When solid is heated, the molecules make up the solid to begin to vibrate. It gives more space and solid particles expand. It gives more space and solid particles also the same time expand. Here they given definition of thermal expansion of the substance. Please note down students, very important. The expansion of the substance on heating is called thermal expansion of the substance. What is meant by thermal expansion of the substance? The expansion of the substance on heating is called thermal expansion of the substance. Are you clear, children? Yes. Next, linear and cubical expansion. Linear and cubical expansion. A solid has definite shape, so when solid is heated, it expands in all directions. You already know while you heated the solid, it expands in all directions. For example, it size, shapes, length, area, everything will be changed. So due to the excess heat. Okay. So the expansion in length is called linear expansion. The expansion in length is called linear expansion. The expansion in volume is called cubical expansion. What is meant by linear expansion? The expansion in length is called linear expansion. What is called cubical expansion? The expansion in volume is called cubical expansion. Are you clear, children? Are you understood? Okay, right. Next is seeing uses of thermal expansion. Uses of thermal expansion. Here they given two thermal expansion. The first one, fitting the iron rim on the wooden wheel. You already saw bullock cart. Yes. See the bullock cart wheel. The diameter of the iron ring is slightly less than that of the wooden wheel. The wooden wheel already saw. So the diameter of the iron ring, see this picture, this is the iron ring. This iron ring is slightly less than that of the wooden wheel. Okay. It cannot be easily slipped on the rim of the wooden wheel. Here the bullock cart, did you see that iron ring? The radius of the iron ring is taken slightly radius of the iron ring is taken slightly less than that of the wooden wheel. Wooden wheel less than that of the iron ring, because the iron ring is heated. Okay, while iron ring is heated, after that it will be expand. Already I told, while you heating the object will be expand. So here the iron ring is heated, that time the iron ring will expand and the radius also increases, so that only it fixes on the wooden wheel. While we heated the iron ring, it must be expand, so it easily fit to the wooden wheel. Later on, the iron ring cools and swing it to the original size. Later on, the heat will decreases. After that, it swing it into the original size. Now it contracts in size and holds the wooden wheel tightly. And riveting. What is the meaning of rivet? Means it is used to join the two steel plates. It is used to join the two steel plates. So when two steel plates join together, we call as rivets. Okay. Hot rivet is driven through the hole in the plates. One end of the rivet is formed to form a new rivet head. When cooled, the rivet will contract and hold the two plates tightly together. See, first they place the hot metals through a hole. Okay. After that, one end of the rivet is harmed. What is the harm? Hammer means already you know, suthiyal. So one end of the rivet is harmed to form a new rivet head. See this diagram. If they form the new rivet head. When it is cooled, first they hot, after that they cooled, the two plates will be joined together tightly. First hot the rivet drive through the hole in the plates. After that, one rivet is harmed and then you cooled the rivet head. After that, it will contract and the two plates are tied together. Two plates are tied together. This is the riveting method. Next, cracking of a thick glass tumbler. Cracking of a thick glass tumbler. Glass is a poor conductor of heat. Glass is a poor conductor of heat. When hot liquids is poured into the tumbler, the inner surface of the tumblers become hot. Yes, glass, when we pour the hot water in the glass tumbler, the inner surface of the tumblers become hot and expands, while the outer surface at the room temperature does not expand. Inner surface will be expand, but the outer surface of the room temperature does not expand. Due to this unequal expansion, the tumbler cracks. So that only the glass tumbler cracks. So inner surface hot substance is there, but outer cool is there. So the inner substance expansion process will go on, but outer they does not expand. Due to this reason, the tumbler cracks. Okay, are you understood, children? Next, electric wires. Electric wires. Electric wires between electric posts contract on cold days and sag in summer days. Sag means okay va? To solve this problem, we leave wire slack so that they are free to change length. So they are free to change length. During the summer time, the electric wire will expand. Okay, the summer time the electric wire will expand. So there is no problem in the summer season. So summer season there is no problem, but winter time the electric wire will contract. Okay, so that many problems will arise during the winter season. So solve this problem, we leave tight the position of wires properly. While we connect the position of wires tightly, no problems will come. Okay, see this diagram. This is the summer day. Summer day, see this wire, it is tightly in the position, but in the winter time it must be sag. Okay, slack in the positions. Okay children, lesson over. I think you understood everything clearly. If you have any doubt, You ask me tomorrow's live class. Okay. Thank you, children.